Hi guys, so this is Grace again and welcome back again to our channel. So today is Saturday, so it's another video for today. Another trip going to Canlaon City. So my auntie and my uncle visit here in our place in Kabulihan because my uncle they have some reunion today with his classmates and schoolmates, and it's just a homecoming. They have a lot of previous students there in Bagawinis where my son Virgil been studying. So they be having some reunion for all the students from the previous students. So my uncle is been graduated in that school there in Bagawinis. So they have the reunion and they have some parade this morning. So Virgil been there because he been performing that drummer, right? So they've been riding the truck and there's a lot of people, and so we are on the way now to Canlaon City because since my auntie they're not been to Canlaon, so we're gonna do some road trip going to the Big Tree and to the inland resort. So it's another hot day here in the Philippines and another beautiful morning. So it's almost 12. So I've been so we be eating lunch there in the F&C here in the Heritage Tree or the Big Tree. My auntie said she gonna treat us. So my auntie said she gonna treat us for lunch. So na, diba siya nag-drum ka dra? So we've been to that Heritage Tree been many times, and I don't know how many times we've been there.
No, I'm lost count.
So I'm gonna show you now our view here outside, so stay tuned. So this is the view going to Canlaon City. So you can see the beautiful trees, the beautiful mountains, so greeny. Soon it won't be green because of the hot weather. Summertime, almost summertime here in the Philippines.
It's already started.
So it's already started there in the bottom. As you can see, the trees turning brown in color. Awang sa kanan na kuan tagak.
Yeah.
So that truck there is still there. As you can see, though, there's that truck that fell off there. They don't did it, so it's still there hanging.
It's been there over a year, isn't it?
Yeah, it's almost 1 year now since they have that accident there. Pila gito namatay day? Tulo? I forgot how many person died. I think only one. That accident before.
I think so.
Yeah, it's only one guy. It's really sad because he just used the internet, the piso Wi-Fi, because there's a piso Wi-Fi in that area there, and he just used, then the truck hit him. It's really sad. I think he lost control, right? The brake. Maybe he drive so fast.
Poor maintenance on the truck.
Yeah, for maintenance also maybe.
Carry big loads like that, you gotta keep them, especially off the mountain. You don't keep the maintenance on it, that's what you get.
First motor. So the road going to Canlaon City is very curvy, so you need to take your time, slow, very slow. Tuyok-tuyok.
At least it's not really hot in Cherokee.
Yeah, not really hot. The wind feels very cold. When I take off my jacket, it's very cold. The wind, you can feel the wind. It's very cold.
That's afraid a storm will come, so I don't have the solar connected to the grid.
How about the incubator?
It's all on solar.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, because
I'll separate it.
I'm afraid maybe it be run out.
I've got to set decrease refrigerator on solar.
So Canlaon City from our place, it takes about 30 to 45 minutes.
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes now.
Jun galing sa inita dayan.
Initan siya. Wala ni sa kay Johnny niya?
Mo daw sa si babae raman to yung back ride.
Ano si Johnny na ito?
The roads are nice in Negros. Nice and white.
Yeah.
Ano kay diri no? Ano din? Ano ang pagkatapos sa di ba?
If you go straight, you go over the mountain.
If you go straight, you're gonna go to the bottom. It's nice. So windy. So this time we not on our aircon because we need to put some Freon on it again. So we're just open the window and we just wait maybe next month. Then we're gonna buy the compressor, or we're gonna let the guy check the aircon first, what's really the problem. Because if we put the Freon now, then we're gonna pay double labor, and it's quite expensive. To put the Freon, it costs us about almost $50.
Yeah. I can buy the material and stuff to do it myself for almost half that.
Dusmail kapin.
Yes?
Dusmail kapin. Depende sa rate. There's Papi. We just stopped the overlooking where the coffee. They're in the right side, baby. Because they not been there yet. Where the coffee, the overlooking ba from Cebu City. Yeah, we've been to this place couple days ago when we go to the house of that guy who cut the coconut tree. So they live near in this place here. So I'm not been able to do some video that time because it's we're not planning to go that day.
Unplanned din eh. Unplanning. Galit na day.
I brought the selfie stick this time. Last time I not.
I'm looking forward to our chickens.
Yeah, we're looking forward for our chicken. So I'm excited for our chicks, really.
Yeah.
It's be nice to play. We feed here in our palm. The foods we put in the palm, then they're gonna eat. I'm gonna do some video on that.
Well, that breed of chicken actually gets pretty friendly.
Huh? They not bite you?
No.
Ikaw chicken yun lang. Ilan na to ka days yung itlog ito guys?
3 days pa. 3 days, baby. The egg in the incubator.
2 weeks kaya na siya ba?
Sa kuan, karong karong February 14, magkuan na to siya 21. Di ka rin may kalag-laag ani
Oh, magating na.
Na-postpone na mong kuan sa anniversary atong tagumi kuan. Atong may unahan pa sa Dumagiti ba. Napalit na magun yung incubator, napalit na yung chag itlog. Anyara na ma'am. Dagan pa mang adlaw.
Oo.
Yeah, the eggs are turning.
Turning?
Yeah. I put a pencil mark on them.
So my husband check the egg, and it's been turning this morning again. In every how many minutes, baby?
I think about every 40 minutes.
Every 40 minutes it be turning, because it's automatic, so it's just turn on its own. Because if you buy the manual incubator, you're the one who turn it every 40 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna stop here. Are, mga piso ta dire sa kapihan sa Mayon.
Ha?
Kapihan sa Mayon. Kapihan sa Mayon. So this one is the overlooking from Cebu City, and you can drink coffee here, native coffee.
Dire nang hapit sila Ramona picture.
You want some coffee, baby?
No, I'm good.
As you can see how nice the mountains is. So this is the stop place that you can stop before Canlaon City, and there's a nice view from down there. You can see the Bagawinis here, and look, this beautiful mountains. So some of the mountains here, the trees, as you can see, it's turning brown because of the hot weather. And also this place here, you can buy also some native coffee, and they have also some pizza, and you can just dine in here. There's people, there's some plates here that did not, there's a pizza here. It's nice. Oh, the wind is so nice, so refreshing. So this is their first time they been to this place. My auntie, this is their first time, so I hope they enjoy their trip today. So we're almost in Canlaon City, and we can see the volcano from here. As you can see that, it's nice. Nice view. So rice field here. So here in the Canlaon City, most of the people here, they have their rice field. That's the way of living here in Canlaon City. They have some vegetables. They plant some vegetables, some rice, and they're gonna sell it to the market. And they also do some export, right, to the other places, other islands. So this is where we normally bought our rice every December when we give to the people in our community. This is where we bought the rice, that place there. Yeah, di kami magpalitan ng bugas te sa taga December ba o kana manghatag may mahal po doy tag pila to mong pa, how much we bought? 2.5.
Pila to kasako yung palit?
Kuan ka sa 15.
15?
13 magroto 13.
Yeah, we paid 2.5.
Pero nabilan pa ba ay?
Yung gasto to day?
Mga kuan jud te, mga 60 kape.
60 plus? Plus kuan ka magkaon nila. May grocery po dako?
Wala te, kay upat-upat naman na mo ka kilo ang bugas. Wala na mo grocery. Pagkaon ra, mga ice cream, ano ba?
Nalingaw may tanaw to kaya sa mga tiguan.
Gamay ra ganito rong kuana, tuiga, kay pag last year na mo, dako-dako may nakuan, kay na mag-McDonald's may ato, nagpa-party jud ba? Nay mga mascot, tulo ka buok.
Dito sa plaza no?
Oo, pag last. Karon simple naman good, kay daghan may gikwante to pag Prince na Virgin, sa balay ng bago pa ba nagpa-renovate. Oo. Kung wala pa nag-niapil si Dodo atong Prince, makakuan jud mi atong mga kuan, atong mascot.
The place on Wi-Fi, let me tell you, if you're at the restaurant, if you use it, when you lose connection, you lose your money.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. You know, in other words, if you got 2 hours of time on it, and you walk over to the big tree and lose your connection, go back and you got no time.
Yeah. That's not good, huh?
No.
Because they lose the time. So the piso Wi-Fi here in Canlaon City?
I don't know about that. Probably the same.
Oh. So if you connect to their piso Wi-Fi, if you lose the connection, you lose the money also that you put in the coin box.
Yep. And it's expensive too.
Yeah. It's unfair to the customer.
No setup like ours. Which
Yeah.
I've done my own setup. Mine, ours, you can leave and come back as often as you want.
So we already entering Canlaon City.
Really? Who told you?
Canlaon City is getting bigger and bigger. They have a lots of grocery store now here. 2 grocery store, right? Pure Gold and Prince. I-improve na ba ng Canlaon? Nanay Pure Gold, nanay Prince. Namaguro, murag na po yung 7-Eleven.
Kapay kay Sano day.
Wala pa.
Kay Sano day sunod.
I say they'll get up.
Na-improve ng Canlaon. Sa una, tong first time na mong ariti, wala pa ning mga Pure Gold, Prince. Wala pa dyan na. Simpuan ra. Naturang.
Asa may doon sa San Carlos dire? Kung magkuhan mo, mag-grocery.
Dire,
Dire no? Mas baka.
sa San Carlos dito, makapakusog mamigpadagan dito, God. Dito, kung kuan pa lang, kung dili pa lang may kabulihan, kung highway pa lang may bagawinis ra, among dagan na guro, mga 20 minutos San Carlos.
Ba?
Nya karo, kung kabulihan, God, kay magkuha man, mga 15 minutes. Nya San Carlos, 20 minutes o 35 minutes.
Dool dire.
Mas doolan, ganahan ko San Carlos. Kay kuanan ko, pakusog mamigdagan, diri kay padikuliko mong God.
Liko no. Delikado po din.
So I was talking my auntie about how many minutes it takes to Canlaon to here and also to our house to San Carlos.
Not the same.
We're not being check their groceries here, the Pure Gold and also the Prince. Ate Irim told me that they have a lots of meat here that you cannot buy there in San Carlos grocery store in Pure Gold. Nice meat. They have a lots of stuff here that you can see there in the
Hey, we need to check it out.
Canlaon, in the San Carlos. We have a lots of cabbage in this area here. As you can see, they're far from here. So we're almost to the Inland Resort.
Ano nagdalong po? Oh, hindi ba?
As you can see my previous videos that we went to that inland resort, that the water is fresh from the mountains and you can even put your drinks there and it will cold in a few minutes. That's how the water is, how cold the water is. So there's a lot of nice houses also here and some foreigners also live in this area here. And as you can see, there's the Mount Canlaon volcano. Mag-hike tani ron, kay taas-taas maglakad dahan tao. Di man ta maligo ang kuan ra. Wala, picture ra. Nara sila yung mga kuan, mga chichirya.
Asa na ta mga kuan?
Nara ito, picture ra gud ta.
Diba asa ta mga on?
Ato pikas. Sunod ani. Gutom na kate? Ha? Sure ba? Nice snacks diri oh. Kuan ba? Biscuit, cupcake.
Maguro ba namahaw?
Sige naman pag sunod. That's their CR there. CR.
Ay, siya nila?
I want to turn around if I can.
Okay. Just turn our sipit, diri naman na sipit kay di man siya kasugakod og hagdanan kuan ba sa kakanaog. Maganing nagplano mong gumi mo atog Bohol sunod bulan. Nya dili ra ko kay di ko ganahan, di po ka ma-enjoy kay di man siya kaatog Chocolate Hills.
Okay, kat-kat.
Oh, nya di po na siya kaatog Lubok River katong kuan ba ma-auto balance niya tiba nya ako ray ma-enjoy.
Kay mo ba na di?
Oh, Lord kay sige magpaabot ra. Lain kayo, mas nilot ng kami dyan ko. Nagbalong na sila oh. Lami ron maligo sa inland kay kung ani ang panahon ang tubig init, bali man na.
bugnaw ba ya bugnaw o
Kung
init kayo
init, bugnaw.
yan sama ni mong kuan na to man eh.
So we're walking on the way to Inland Resort. Okay. Asa man? Napamo siya dito day. Tungutan na daw palingon. Nay mangga ay. So they have a lots of vegetables here. They sell some vegetables here. Lots of vegetables. Fresh vegetables. Lami sa mangga day. Ang asid pud ana.
Pipino
Lang sweet corn na. Lapalit kog sweet. Pila ko ng kilo na no? Nauta na pilang kilo sweet corn na oh. Sipit ayun kasi ana god.
ano makaon
60 per kilo. Di mo dag 50 per ay kuan, 50 per kilo. Ay
60 din ma'am.
upat ka kilo man.
may hangyo di ay
Way hangyo pa sa daghan. Sweet corn jud na siya ya.
Oh, disco ni siya.
Ayun kasi sweet ana iya pila. But kaon kag manibi ay mani ka ng sweet corn. Kuan ba corn? Ah okay. Sakit yan nito. They have some sweet corn here that my husband's favorite. 60 pesos per kilo, and they have also it's already cooked 25
35 40 ano
25 pesos the one it's cooked already, 25 pesos per piece.
Sa kabuok na. Walo-walo ni siya kada plas. Walo-walo siya. Oh. Walo-walo. Oh.
Bukat kag ay mahutdan niya nigbalik ba wala na niya ko.
Adi mo siya mukha oh lima sipit mukha mo sipit ana.
Pili lang ko bayad ako nimo di aron. Dam magmadam ra ko nimo. Tira on.
Pila mo katong paliton?
Ang plastic.
Ay pamilin ko sa uban.
Link ko sa rin number 2 ka namili pas madam.
So one of my friend, she bought some sweet corn. It's already cooked and we're gonna eat, and also my husband loves that sweet corn. So when we go back here, I'm gonna buy maybe 4 kilo or 5 kilo. Also we're gonna cook there in the house. So it's nice that we found that one, because over there in Vallehermoso, when we asked there, it's like 75 pesos per kilo. Over here is much cheaper. So we're gonna wait her. So I don't know how many stores that we step. Huh? Pare-pareha naman mighait. Mga 4 kuan man ko 4.8.
4.8.
So my husband is not been go with us here because you know it's not safe for him. So Virgil is here.
Kuan si Daddy 20 feet.
Are you sure?
So they have a lot of gas this time because it's weekend, Saturday. So they have a lot of gas in weekends compared to the weekdays. Inland Resort is very nice place, very cool place because of the place is surrounded with a lots of trees, and also the water is very refreshing. It's very cold, and also the entrance is only 20 pesos. As you can see, they have a lots of gas this time. Oh, look at this, guys. So they have a lots of drinks here that they put, and the water is very cold. So this is where they refrigerate the drinks. Oh my God, it's very cold. Looks it's inside in the deep freeze. So they have a lots of drinks here. Virgil, they put their drinks here because it will get cold. The water is very cold. So it's Virgil's first time to be here in this resort. So I told him about the drinks, why they put it here. Do that the water, Virgil. Feel the water. It's very cold. So they have a lot of gas this time.
Dili man sa sulod.
Sa sulod, oy. Sa sulod. See. So the water here is very fresh. Mountain water. As you can see there. There's water flowing. Nice. So you can take some picture.
Sa swimming pool, Rudy, ay?
Bugnaw, day? Ha? Bugnaw? Sa daday?
Dili kay bugnaw way na sa ref jud.
Pero mabugnaw jud siya.
Kadugayan.
We check if the drinks get cold, so it's really cold.
Ha?
Tubod. Tubod. As you can see, there's water flowing there from the mountains. It's over here too. So we're on the way to the top right now, and this bridge here, this is new. They built it new, and this is the exact way going to the top. And it's been a little bit hot right now. Sunshine. We are here. In it. So we're almost there to the van. So after here, we're gonna go to the heritage tree.
2,000 years ko na dahil.
Abot na kita 2,000 years.
Sa picturean dito kay Landong. Take some picture here. Selfie.
Andong no. Dahil dito sa init tayo no.
Diba siya gitugnaw. One of my friend, she get cold. Very cold here. Just normal for me. The picture, we're gonna take some pictures. Selfie. So we're on the way to the heritage tree, and this is my favorite spot here because of the trees. It's so nice. As you can see, lots of shades. Very nice. So cold here. Beautiful. So there's some rough road here, but it's not really bad.
It's real bad.
As last time we went here, it's first time we went here.
Whole
really road bad, is very bad.
Yeah.
Remember we go to that place there. Nga naman sa media sa babawan. Kaya nangita mo itong falls. So adyo may nakita falls. Asa ka to? No. Nice. They have this rice field here. The other side is really nice, very healthy. Oh, tambok ka lang humayan. Oh, kuhan kayo ba?
Green kayo.
Green kayo. Namit kita ng green. Ganahan mong kamuglaan nila ay siya ito bagapon.
Kung ako sa tagaan, sa taglaglaak. Sanay ka na na. Naaraman. At tagan umirin.
Mao na siya ang zoo diha niya. Wala naman kay kuha, di ba kanina pa. Okay, namatay man to ang katong ostrich ba to. Ipasulod mi kay ang kuha na kay si Ate Irim.
They killed the ostrich.
May man kay mukuan ba?
They bleach it.
Storya, ipasulod mi kay di pa man ta pwede pasudlon.
Stretch nga, nalimot ko.
Kung taas kayo ka.
Magtaas og liog ba? Oh.
Murag papo gani. Kailan po yung papo doon? Papo ka kailan mo?
Turkey Virgil ba? Siya kakuan Bisaya sa pabo.
Aksulaton.
Aksulaton ko lang sa papo.
So we're almost to the big tree, the heritage.
Hindi nila kipatay.
We have a lots of visitors this time. Birch tree. Birch tree, is that birch?
That's what they look like. I don't know if that's what they are or not.
Ano ko nun sa Maya kaya
Oh,
Gatas pa.
water flowing. That's why
It
it's,
jumped off in front of me.
what the girl?
Yeah.
Careful. Careful.
Trying to keep from dragging.
Sa una, you remember before, there's a big stones here.
Yeah.
Sa una, ako kinig bato diri.
Dire?
Oh, di jud mi kakuan kanang ani kani nga sakyanan, di jud ni kakuan. Motor oh. Dagkuha lagi, nagko kay ba? Okay, kuanan ko kana ila naman ning kunkuan kay kanang diha kay tourist kuan na siya nya. Kay mga donation ba? Nagluya ba ng kahuyat eh? Galuya na siya pag ari na matong kuan, galuya na.
Oh ba?
Oh, ngay time na ni ari may galuya yun na siya te kay kuan man naa siya isang nga naputol ba.
Di siya pwede magwag sa
Oh, na dako kay sangati na jud mi ato nga time.
Tuyo or
Kuan nas na kuan ko sa hangin guro na murag ni give up na ang sanga ba na murag nagluya pud siya, murag naglain pud yang pamati guro ba. Nya di man siya pakuha. Di siya pakuha ba kana di gani mo kuan di mo sugot kanang ila man lang gunong tabian-tabian te. Nya mo to ni ingon ang katong usa ka work kanang trabahante nga kanang kwao na jud kanamo kay luoy man kay kagaluyan naman kanya. Lain na lagi sa kahoy nga magluya la makakuan jud ka ba nga mo padulong jud mamatay. Abi jud na magmamatay guto te kay lain na kay kahoy. Wala na siya, mura na siya. Wala siya mga dahon-dahon. Nya mo to ilang gikuan, nagdalag ito sila kanang kuan diha kanang putlon jud ba kanang sa nang ako anoy.
mga dato.
Oo. Ya mao to gi kuan na naulian na siya.
Oh ba?
Galuya na. I told them about the tree that that time one time that it's the tree is sick. Yeah, one time that we went here that big tree
The big branches fall out.
yeah, it's sick and because one of the branch, the big branch fall down. I mean it's just it's not fall down, it's just hanging ba.
Yeah, well they
One of the branch of the tree just hanging then
they finished cutting it out.
yeah, they finish cut it out then it looks healthy again.
Bintol kani. Bintol. Bintol man nga kahoy day no.
Yeah. Unsa man mentol?
I wonder if I can get around to the other.
So we are here. Nice. So they have a lots of visitors this time. So we are here at the back. We just parked the vehicles here at the back so that it's easy for my husband to walk here. It's closer to the restaurant. So we're gonna eat lunch first because it's already late. Bibi, we just walk there. Oh. Okay. Una-una ra mo ti kay ka. Iya pa tong hot doon. Kuan ko kabalo unsa yung kanon. Sag unsa ra? Kuan ang guro. Virgil, you want some lechon manok? Katutanan ordera. Katutanan ordera sa mino. Virgin, you want some grilled chicken? What you want? Sing naisabaw tiba katong kuan. Kanang pasayan. Sinigang ba pasayan?
Sinigang na yon.
O kanang kuan, grilled chicken. Kato ganing lechon kuan, grilled chicken. Grilled chicken ba? Mo si Virgin mo kaon ba to siya oy? Ha, kaon ka biha? Eh, my auntie is the one who treat us for the lunch, ha? This is our foods. My husband got some vegetables there and some mango shake. Good. We have some pork and some chicken barbecue. Virgil got some cheeseburger. Coke. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. We're just now finish our foods. As you can see. So their foods here is very delicious. Yeah. And this is our view. Shit. So nice. That's the heritage tree there. So it's nice that they put some restaurant here. And you know, it's very relaxing. Very cold. Are you shaking? Oh, my friend Bashan is shaking. Looks like chill, but chill. A fever.
It's so weird.
Heavy coat on.
Virgil too. He's just wearing jogging pants and some white t-shirt because that's what they wear this morning in the school. Their band. Are you full? How's your teeth? It's okay now? His gums is swelling. It's been pain disturb him. So it's really nice in here. How's your foods? How's your food? Good. They have some nice flowers there. They have a lot of visitors this time, and also the restaurant is lots of customers. As you can see, they have there at the back. Some of them is already left.
Mommy, I want to go to the farm.
So we're just done eating, and looks like we're gonna head it home now. So that's the heritage tree. So nice here. Cold, very cold. So we have an enjoyable time. So it's good that we went today because the weather is nice. So I think that's all for today, guys. That's the end of our video for today, and we will see you on our next video. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and for all the nice comments. I really do appreciate it all. So until my next video, so thank you so much again, and bye for now. Bye for now, guys.